Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a water. I place 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Then 1 cup of white vinegar. Then I put some dishwashing soap. Then I'll try to agitate this one, so there will be a reaction. What I will do, guys, I would like to call this clean this top portion of my stove, because it is hard to clean this one, So I'll be submerging this top of my stove, and I would like to remove this stain here. So I'm passing a mixture on the stain portion, because I would like to loosen the stain. I would like to loosen the stain. Okay, that's it, guys. Later on, I would scratch this one with the Scotch Brite, and let's try to see if this stain will be removed. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor the Vegetarian.